relaxed again. It's about 8 o'clock on Saturday night, and I got bored, so I thought I'd run down here to the post office box and pick up my mail I got over there. Hope y'all enjoyed my video I made earlier. I still ain't figured out why that purple sheen or hue, what are you gonna call it, was in the video, but I just had to make a video using that old camera I found in my junk pile. It's really weird. Like I said, I probably bought that thing about 15 years ago. I'm surprised it even still works, but anyway, it did, and such as it was, with no stabilization and no external microphone jack to plug into. I guess it done all right. I guess. Of course, back when I bought it, it was a thing of art. At that point, it was highfalutin stuff back then. Boy, I tell you what, cameras have come a long way since then. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Not much going on this evening. It's still cloudy outside. The sun finally broke out about 2 o'clock and all that. It turned out to be a pretty nice day, but it's supposed to be pretty tomorrow as well, and then start raining again on Monday, so oh well. We're in that rainy season right now, so we got to expect that, but other than that, like I said, not much going on. I have my iPhone mounted on top of my dash. What I did, I glued a metal mount, a flat piece of metal onto my dash, which what it was a mirror mount for 18-wheeler for my Peterbilt that I used, and I bought it from the truck stop, where you could mount the magnetic mouse-looking antenna for my satellite radio on right there on the mirror bracket. So I just encased it with black tape or what have you, and glued it to my dashboard. And I went back to my all of my I'll get it out here in a minute, all my SNAPMOUNT, so it makes it real handy, so it don't look like it's vibrating too much. You'll probably have more trouble with the headlights coming at me than anything. So you know me, I'm always fidgeting and goofing around with my gadgets. So I'm still on the fence about buying that HoHem gimbal Pro 4 for my my GoPro 10. I don't want to have to spend another $100 if I ain't got to, but it looks like I might have to after all. But at any rate, we are here at the post office, and fixing to make my grand entrance. I like coming here at night when there's nobody here. It's just me. I like it that way. I ain't gonna fight the idiots, because I'll tell you what, there's some crazy people that come in and out of this post office. Don't watch where they're going or what they're doing or nothing. I mean, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Have a great rest of the weekend, and happy Easter, everybody. See y'all later. Bye-bye.